Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit your notification button. Country boss, we look for your channel. Your channel are going, dog. Yeah, your channel I say one. Yeah, country girl, big up. Nuclear us. Silent a long time in a year, yo. You alright? 306. You forgive me, I think I hope to know me no hear nothing from you. May I call you out, dog. J.A. man. Last but not least. The one and only Trini Boss. Big up yourself, Trini Boss. Look at the screen in front of you. I know I can't stop talking about it. But the more and more me I look at that thing, dog. Cause politics watch talk about it still. And Cartel never did dip on my radar like that. Even though I know say him now come out of jail. Me did know say him lawyer I screw him over. Cause him can't beat the case on a constitutional thing. It's impossible. Only thing is gonna happen, the man them reprimand for whatever bring the BlackBerry out of them yard, but you cannot break into WhatsApp and all-time speech. You'd have to get a speech, a voice analysis, and all sort of thing, yo. So that's madness. Isaac Buchanan just a take him money. Isaac Buchanan was a stepper car and do 10 years of prison. Which, me understand him clean up himself and him a deal constitutional, but that is not a constitutional case. I tell you this, Klansman them case are more constitutional than wait name the Vybz Kartel. Because you have so many different pieces in it and you know them can talk about them arrest and how the government gather evidence in terms of your constitutional rights. You see what I'm saying? That's how it works. Don't make nobody trick you know. But let's move on. No, all of them things didn't come out, but I just want to show how Shawn Storm for know say him could have dep on my youth list. But there's another thing what I really want to talk about. I don't know if I can talk about it, Shawn Storm, in this video. Yeah. You understand? We just want to prove, say, Vybz Kartel did a draft up the youth, yeah, and him did a him did want to do Shawn Storm something, dog. I tell you. See where it say, Shawn Storm did know say, yo, where the man them go on with the carelessness, with the sitting them, him know say something did go on. So him say when see that's how him say when him reach, he must surprise to see a Klansman, young man them there. That's why him take with himself. It's plain as day, right there. Let's move on with this equation, yo. So, me don't know how I'm gonna beat this constitutionally, but yo, in the voice note, like we said, you can hear him start blame Shawn. I just want to prove this. He might blame the man, you know. So, afraid, Shawn Storm afraid of that youth, you know. Why you see him even make certain flex. That's why I need to do another video. Because I want to talk about something real bad about Shawn Storm. But I just have to do a video upon Shawn Storm next. But this is just a proof for sure. See that them things are facts. Me nah make it up. But me did do a video upon Kartel and Shawn Storm, friends like these, whatever, popcorn. But me just want to prove because it just nag me in my mind and me have to do the video. My OCD, yo. So see there, him start get mad and I blame the man for the shoes them and them thing there. And then, you understand? Let's move on. Now, how are you gonna win something constitutionally? But like I say, him did have Shawn Storm on him slappy list. It's like, me don't know where Shawn Storm come from still. But maybe he never have nowhere to go, that's why I end up go with him. But like I said, that's another thing. See what them say? In place the thing upon Shawn Storm head. And a Shawn Storm him tell forget about the sitting them. You understand? Upon film show, let him drop it. You can hear it from voice note number 9. Everything out there. Them play it in a court. And I make it up. Let's move on. Yeah, I just want to show the facts. Because you have enough of Gaza people them out there is like them tone deaf dog. You understand? A boy should have take a deal. But me hear Sir P say him an informant. So me have to talk about another piece with Shawn Storm and a boy with the informant thing. And yo, Shawn Storm. But anyways, look on the screen in front of you. This already voice note saying, he must say, yo, dog, cuz, I call Shawn up, and I tell him, say, yo, hombre, I want my things them, and get back my money for my things them. You don't have to do whatever, I just want to get back my things them, and you response, feed. And that me tell him in the morning. And that him call a man and tell a man. It's right there. Let's move on. Yo, this right here so tie up Shawn Storm in this thing. I don't know why I'm to Shawn Storm, dog. A Shawn Storm are the man who go pick up Lizard, Clive Lizard Williams and Lamar Chow. You see what I say? August 16, 2011. In our taxi, it was a man when name Need for Speed and bring them guy Avondale. And I saw the thing go. As so comes, him get caught up. But the overall story of this, Shawn Storm did depend my youth. Dash release. May I tell you, him did depend it. It's like a coward him get coward dog. A coward him get coward. I don't know if you never have nowhere to go. Sometimes a man get in your head. A boy get in my head one time and take me a bag of money from me, dog. But that's how it go. Yeah, lose a bag of money one time. But yeah, man get in a Shawn Storm head. But him did depend on the boy dash release. And at that, at the title of the video. And that are the thing we're out there. Now, fast forward 2021 and the informer come out in a court or the witness, quote unquote, who are on the ups with the police them and you see for yourself, say, yo, the boy the cartel, our narcissist, our dangerous boy. Dangerous boy. Up to now, him not admit nothing, Him come in like a lady when me know. Come in like my mother. You see, from me know my mother. She never do nothing wrong. I saw him come in. How can somebody never do nothing wrong in them life? Anyways, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit your notification button. And leave some comment. And share this to your friend. Now we'll talk about Shawn Storm next. In the next video. Countryman, I'm out. I love everybody. Every subscriber. Peace.